am a freshman in college. I'm about to start the process of trying to get my first apartment. You know, your girl's super excited. Whatever. What was I going to do? Oh, on my face. I always moisturize my face before I start my makeup, and right now I'm using a oil-free moisturizer by Mario Badescu. It came in. So, for my primer today, I'm going to be using my NYX Photo Loving Primer and about some Pore Professional too. I kind of be mixing them up because I got that pores. Like, they bogus, bro. Like, they bogus. But first, I like to go in with my setting powder and put it on my face because I feel like it helped my creasing. And I sound a little sick right now, but I don't know. I feel like it helped my creasing and my oiliness on my face. So, and I feel like it helped my pores too. So I put it in my T-zone because. Yo, in the world. For my eyebrows, let me not be rude, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony. And I'm also using their brush as well. The spoolie. Not sure if it has a name. Concealer is Maybelline New York. It is the shade Caramel 40. I use this to conceal my eyebrows. I also to do my contour, which we'll be doing later. My husband was deported from. We gathered enough support with the push of the vote. This was a waste of our time. This meeting is adjourned. A waste of time. There's families fighting to stay together. There's children being ripped away from their parents. This is not a waste.
Social media talking about I'm too old. I'd rather be too old and thirsty. I don't know what's so funny about a new black father being exhausted. Ignores cockroach ass. Oh, I can't. Sorry, Bible. I didn't even get invited to the sapphire party this year. I mean, it's not like I care, but I got Davis to think about, you know? You're creating these street is like any of the banks in this business. Street cred, huh? You smell it? What's that in food? Yeah. Gigi album is doing well. My VC is the hottest in the game. That's why I had her on fire.
This is a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. I'm using
He's okay.
prime my eyes for my eyeshadow to help with the creasing and make my colors pop. Gonna this one Sparks, and now to dark palette. It is the Jack Morph / Jack O'Neill
Yo, somebody call security.
palette. My eyebrows. These cousins, not sisters. I know. Don't do boo. I know. And yes, I know my wig is still sliding back, and I know I still don't care.
But now I see you guys saying there's goons all up in here. Nah, you ain't about the dirt. You're not competing with anybody but yourself. You know that. What about you, Superwoman? What you up to? Girl, I'm far from Superwoman. I just feel like I have no business talking about immigration and families. Simone, you were 6 years old when somebody ripped you away from your own family. If anybody can speak on this, it's you. Do it. For me, for Angel. Since when did Davis sisters stop fighting? Davis, time's up.
Darken up my crease. I'm gonna go in with Rockstar. Now I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 1. Do my eyebrows. I don't have many brushes, so pardon me. This is a Morph 4M 421 brush. I flatten it out to kind of give me a better shape.
I'm just trying to keep my name in the conversation, and I know how much credit that party can get you. And I can use some credit right now.
I'm gonna use my 52 palette, and for this I'm gonna use a Real Techniques base shadow brush.
It's really useless. Wait, the same dad with all those plaques on the wall. Come on, your pops knows the game.
Go in from this. This is what I'm gonna go in with. What do I want to go in with? I don't know. I'm gonna use this one right here. and clean up my middle line. I just kind of got to go back in and like straighten up my line. I'm going to be using this Too Faced Kitty Glitter. Too Faced Kitty Glitter. In this primer. The NYX glitter primer. Use Ruby Kiss eyeliner, hair store.